Hi everybody, it's Miss Williamson, and I wanted to show you guys one of the strategies that I use for writing in my notebook. So I have my notebook here. I'm sitting outside at my apartments, and I have my notebook open and dated for today. Today's August 30th, 2020. And the strategy I'm going to show you is how to write from observation, okay? So I'm going to be looking around, and this is my neighbor's cat. And I'm going to be trying to see what I can see in the world that I can write down and describe. So I think I'm just going to start with this cat because it's probably the most interesting thing here. So what I like to do when I'm observing the world is maybe just write a topic and write down a really quick list of things that I'm noticing. So I'm going to say neighbor's black cat. And then some things I noticed about it is it's very small, it's very young. It's not a kitten, but it is pretty small. He or she, I don't really know who, is just winding around my ankles. Their tail is wagging. Ooh, it bit me. Oh boy. Okay, so very small. Looks friendly, but is actually kind of feisty. Just looking at physical details, it is all black, no other color. Okay, so I took a minute to write down what I was seeing and thinking about while I was looking at this cat, since I'm writing from observations, and I wrote down it's very small, it's not a kitten, but it's young, it looks friendly, but is actually kind of feisty. I'm going to add right here that it bit me, because that is important to remember if I'm thinking about this cat. Maybe I'll want to write about it more later. It's all black, no other color. It flops over, rolls on its back in the dirt, paws waving in the air. It is wearing a blue/green color. I think it was like a blue and green pattern. I noticed it's panting. I know when cats get hot enough to pant, they're too hot, so that made me kind of sad. I think it likes me. It always comes up to me when I'm outside, but it doesn't show much affection, going back to the it biting me thing. So what I did is I sat outside and I looked around to see what I could find and tried to record just as many details about that one thing that I could. Since I have a little bit of time right now, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep sitting out here and seeing what I can see and writing about it. And this is a great way to fill up a page or two or three of a notebook. Okay? Hope this helps.